Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make ginger shampoo liquid soap paste using fresh ginger root. Soap paste is the base for making liquid soap. We will add sugar syrup to enhance the final product in multiple ways. It gives the shampoo a smooth texture, acts as a humectant to help retain moisture, works as a thickening agent, and boosts lather for a richer, more luxurious feel. You can also find the detailed recipe and step-by-step instructions in the description below. First, we use a blender to break down the ginger juice into ginger pulp. Then, we steep the ginger juice in hot water. Since we are using the hot process method, I will heat up the oils. The ideal temperature should be above 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. You can use any method you prefer to heat the oils, whether it's a crock pot, stovetop, double boiler, microwave, or any other suitable option. If you're following this process using a crock pot, set it to medium heat and ensure the temperature stays above 80 degrees Celsius. I prefer using the microwave method because it's the most convenient for me. First time, I set the timer for 2 minutes on medium heat. After the timer went off, I checked the temperature and it was around 60 degrees Celsius, not high enough. So, I decided to heat it for another minute. Meanwhile, I filter the ginger tea using a sieve. I filter it twice to ensure there are no ginger granules left in the ginger tea. Pour out the amount of ginger tea needed to dissolve the sodium hydroxide. Pour the sodium hydroxide into the ginger tea. Make sure to pour the lye into the liquid, not the other way around. This helps prevent the lye solution from boiling up. Check the temperatures of both the lye solution and the oil mixture, ensuring that both are above 80 degrees Celsius. Since I'm working off the heat, my ideal temperature is above 90 degrees Celsius. Pour the lye solution into the oil mixture. If you're using a crock pot or stovetop, continue heating it, but make sure to keep the temperature on low heat. Use a blender to mix the ingredients together. Observe your soap mixture carefully. The soap mixture will go through 3 stages during the hot process mixing. First stage, cream. The soap is well blended, resulting in a smooth and creamy texture. Second stage, pumpkin soup. The texture becomes rougher and thicker, resembling creamy pumpkin soup. Third stage, mashed potato. the texture becomes harder and even rougher, resembling the consistency of mashed potatoes. The temperature will naturally rise as the saponification process continues. If the temperature increases too much, it may lead to the fourth stage, Lye volcano. If you don't want the Lye volcano to happen, you can slow down the process by using a spatula spoon to mix instead. However, it's totally fine to go through the fourth stage. Just remember to use a larger container, so when the soap rises, it doesn't overflow everywhere. A good thing about going through the Lye volcano stage is that your soap paste will turn more transparent and have a harder texture. Wrap the soap paste and keep it warm to allow the saponification process to continue. Meanwhile, I will prepare the sugar solution by using the leftover ginger tea to dissolve the white sugar. Heat up the sugar solution, making sure to bring it to a boil. Gradually add the sugar syrup to the soap paste in small amounts, stirring each time until the syrup is fully absorbed before adding more. For the best results, wrap the soap paste and keep it warm for a couple of hours. Then, cure it for 1 to 2 weeks before diluting it into liquid soap. In the next video, I will show you how to dilute the soap paste and discuss which natural ingredients we can add to thicken the liquid soap. Thank you for watching. See you next time.